Hi there. This video is presented by Top Down Realty Team with the Dalton Wade Real Estate Group. Kathy Langer and I will be hosting an open house at this wonderful home located in Wesley Chapel, Florida at 33716 Elm Hill Boulevard. It's listed by Marianne Navarro of Chevron Realty Group at Dalton Wade. I'm Gladys Caparato, your host for this short video tour today. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home is a stunning, practically brand new DR Horton home, one of the most prestigious builders in the state. Built in 2024 within the highly desirable community of Westgate at Avalon Park, this home is sure to please with its easy access to State Road 54, State Road 56, and the I-75 Expressway. This growing area allows you to get anywhere in Tampa within a 30-minute commute, and the shopping, the abundance of restaurants, and top-rated schools are all just minutes away. As you walk up to the front of this home, which has $30,000 worth of upgrades, you will see a lovely manicured front yard with amazing curb appeal. Here's a quick view of the home's layout for your inspection. As you head into the home, see the beautiful kitchen cabinets, the stainless steel appliances, and the smart island that seats 4. In the far corner is a lovely space for your dining table where you will be able to seat 6 to 10 guests. The master bath has a large walk-in shower with a dual vanity for your convenience. There's also a secondary bath, which can be used for your kids, your guests, or both. Outside, your backyard is fully fenced with durable and long-lasting vinyl fencing. You'll also find a large and comfortable screen lanai for added living space. Take a look at the wading pool for the kids, the playground, and the 2 fun-filled pools. And there's even space for your dog to socialize as well. So come on out and see us, and if you can't make it, give me or Kathy Langer a call and book an appointment to see it at your convenience. Looking forward to meeting you. Have a great day.